Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see Investorm investment script. So I have a complete script with the add-ons and models in my hand. If anyone need the script or add-ons, let me know. You can message me in my WhatsApp. You can see the WhatsApp contact number in the screen, and I'll provide a direct link in my description. So I will show you the complete demo from my server, which is I hosted in my server. So it is the script, so I already installed it on my server with the add-ons and modules. So I will log in with my admin panel. Okay, so uh, I just log in admin panel. So I will show you the add-ons first. So you can see there is a basic KYC add-on, which is a model for KYC, and there is a fund transfer for internal fund transferring, which is for model supporting Investorm, and also there is a payment gateways like Flutterwave, Coinbase, Coin Payment, and also crypto wallet. So you can see there is all the add-ons and models available. So you can see in the payment gateway there is one model also available, which is for fee for a deposit or transaction. It is also a add-on or model for the Investorm script. If you enable this thing and you put a fee for the list of the payment gateways, so it will be charged with the actual amount. So this is also a model that's supporting Investorm. Also, there is a API I just made with the Investorm, because the Investorm developers discontinue the Exchange API. Also, they are providing the Exchange API for their original system, which is they're selling in their own platform, which is not available in Codecanyon. So you can see there is a API exchange rate, which is you will get. Currency rating. You can see the currency update is done by 8th August. So you can see the thing. Okay, I add a third party API which is supporting currency exchange alternative for original Investorm exchange API, which is I made a third party API support. You can also use that exchange API system. If you want, I can customize this thing for you. So it's a customized API. So you can also able to use this thing if you want, because it's only available in my system, which is I customized the exchange API. Also, I did a customization for email notification, which is whenever user register the account, they will get a email login detail, which is a welcome email. You can see it's giving a user account credential for the users to their mail, which is the register with the account. So you can see the password system, which is originally not available in the Investorm, because password plain text other thing will be complicated. So I just customize the password saving function to send the data to the users. So if you want this kind of customization, I also able to do this. Not only Investorm, any kind of Laravel or PHP script you want make a customization work, I can do that. If you have any doubts about the customization work or new customization work for another platform, let me know. So this is a complete system which is I'm having in my hand. You can see the withdrawal sections, which is showing the withdrawal details. I also add a payment to, which is a wallet address will be showing. So if anyone need or want add-ons or modules, let me know. You can see all the contact details in the screen and description. Thank you.